Hey guys, so we're in my room now and I just wanted to show you these packing cubes that I got from Amazon. They're from the company, I don't know how you say that. It's probably like Japanese or something. Yamiu? I probably didn't pronounce that right. Please don't be offended. But it just kind of has a little thank you card here. So it's from that company, but I did get these through Amazon.com. I believe they retailed for $20.99 and it's a 7-piece set. So this is how it comes, and this is just, I got the color blue. If you get the like regular black, they are like $19.99, so it's like $1 cheaper, but I wanted something a little bit more colorful. Let me kind of bring this a little closer, you guys can see. But yeah, it says packing cubes Yamiu for women/men, 7 pieces. And again, it's in the color blue. Was gonna get like purple. I'm sorry, focus keeps going out, but I was gonna get like the color purple, but they were like $3 more and I wasn't about that life. So I got these blue ones. I'm gonna show you what all 7 pieces look like, but the goal really for the packing cubes is for all of my clothes to fit in these cubes so everything can subsequently be transferred to my Keep All Bandolier 50, which is like the bag that I'm planning on taking on my trip. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some clothes out. I'm gonna be gone for 6 days, so yeah, hopefully I don't overpack. I tend to overpack, but I want to be like one of those people who do that like essential minimal packing, that smart packing. You know, I've been traveling more in the past few years, but I've not quite perfected my packing technique. So I tend to overpack and bring a lot of stuff. I'm just that type of person, but we're gonna see how I do with these packing cubes, and so what I'll do is I'll lay out some clothes, you guys, and again, it's for 6 days, and I'll just kind of show you guys how these packing cubes essentially work for me. So we'll be right back and after I lay out some clothes, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I just laid everything out on the bed, and then I had other stuff on the bed, so I'm not packing all the stuff that you see kind of like over here. I'm not bringing that with me necessarily. It's just stuff that I have on my bed. But this is all the clothes I've gone ahead and laid out, you guys. So I think I've pretty much looked at my calendar and kind of looked at the days that I'm going to be traveling versus the days we'll actually be in Italy. So I'm pretty certain this is going to be like everything that I'm going to bring with me and pack into the cubes and see how it fits, and subsequently see how things fit in my Keep All 50 bandolier. Because what I'm trying to do, you guys, is see if everything will fit okay with the cubes in the Keep All. If not, then I'm going to have to go ahead and get like a rolling suitcase. But what I'm trying to do is just do carry-on. And then once we get to Italy and, you know, do shopping or whatever we're gonna do, and whatever we bring back, I was gonna go ahead and buy a suitcase there and bring that back, you know, and check that. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to pack as light as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of shift and show you guys everything from right to left, like that I'm planning on taking with me as far as clothing is concerned. Then we'll go ahead and put it in the cubes and put in the Keep All and see how it fits. And if it don't fit, y'all, it is well, I'm gonna have to go find me a suitcase. It will be okay. We will, you know, I just want to show you guys how the cubes work for me, and then how it subsequently fits in my Keep All. Again, if it doesn't work, you're getting it, you know, live and in action, and we'll just go ahead and figure out something else. And I'll come back to you guys and show you a suitcase that I pick out if I do have to get one. So I'm gonna try to do it from this angle because this is where the lighting is the best. So right here I just have undergarments, so that's what I'm bringing with me. There I have pajamas here. Also underneath that I have a washcloth, as well as a, what do you call this? Oh, just like a regular towel. I probably shouldn't bring that with me. That's probably gonna take too much space, or it's gonna take more space than what is needed. However, I always bring a washcloth, my own washcloth, and my own towel with me, just because that's just what I do wherever I travel. So that's what I have here in this pile. Right here is my travel outfit for Thursday. Because I'm going to be coming from South Carolina to Florida, and then from Florida we're all going to take our flight together to Italy, and we're flying into Rome. So this is going to be my travel outfit for Thursday night, from my flight from South Carolina to Florida. And I do have 2 pairs of shoes right here on the ground. I have like these, well, I think all 3 of these I'm gonna bring. Like, I'm gonna bring these ones that I'm currently wearing. These are the Adidas. I don't know how you say the other part of the name, but they're essentially slides and they're really comfortable. So I'm probably gonna bring these. Also, I'm gonna bring these black Crocs. They have like a little white strip on the side, but they'll go with pretty much all of my outfits. And then I also have these, hold on, let me pull them out, you guys. I have these white Skechers. Let me get a little bit closer. They're white Skechers that I recently got. I did show you guys these shoes in a haul. So I think I'm just gonna bring these 3 shoes with me. And probably Thursday night I'm gonna wear my Skechers. Friday, maybe I'll wear my Adidas when we fly into Rome. So we'll see. But yeah, I think all of my outfits should go well with these 3 shoes. So I think that's all I'm gonna bring. So moving on, next over here I have, this is essentially my travel outfit. These are just like some regular pants, like casual pants with the stripe down, you know, the sides of them. I got these from Target, and I didn't mention, like, yeah, this I got from a giveaway at my church some time ago, I think back in March. This shirt, which says love, oh no man anything but to love one another, and that's Romans 13:8. So I won this shirt at an event at my church. These pants, I got them from Walmart many years ago. This shirt, which says adultish, I got this shirt and these pants together like years ago when I was at a Target in Charleston. So yeah, this has pretty much been my travel outfit for the last few trips I've been on. It's just really comfortable. This shirt is very light, and probably over top of this I'm probably gonna wear like this right here, which is a cover up, or like a cardigan, I guess. It's got pockets with it as well, but it just is, you know, good material. It keeps you warm. I got this from JCPenney's like the beginning part of the year. I think it retailed for like $20, or it was on sale, something like that. So that's probably what I'm gonna wear on Friday night for our overnight flight into Rome. And then probably like these shoes. So and yeah, I'm talking about these shoes. I know I was right next to the other ones. So also I just have I have this shirt here, which is from New York & Company. I got this years ago, which I'm gonna bring with me. It's like an extra shirt. I also have this shirt right here, which is from American Eagle, and it is from like the plush materials, really soft and really, oh my gosh, I don't know. This is like one of my favorite shirts. I love like pretty much all of my clothes from American Eagle. Like, they're so soft and really good material. So I think this one was like $15 or something when I got it from American Eagle. These jeans right here are like distressed, so they're the ones kind of like with the holes and stuff in like the knees. I got these from New York & Company, I think last year. They're like my favorite jeans. So moving on, I don't remember how much they cost either, so that's why I didn't mention, but probably about $20, something like that. Also, I have this shirt from New York & Company, and it is like a flare shirt. So this is one of those shirts that are kind of longer. It covers your, you know, your bottom, and it kind of flares out. I don't remember how much this shirt was, but yeah, I got this from New York & Company probably like 2 years ago. Same with this shirt. This is another shirt from New York & Company. It is long sleeve. This one is, you know, if you can't tell, it's short sleeve, but this one is a long sleeve shirt. So and it has like this little crisscross design around like the V-neck. It is, you know, kind of good thick material, kind of warm. So really like this. Don't remember how much this one costs either. I have underneath this some white pants, so I could wear these white pants with this shirt, or you know, possibly both during the days that I'm there. So these white pants I got from a store here called Versona. So I don't remember how much they cost, but I got them like 2 years ago, I believe, from Versona. Also, I have this shirt, and this is another one from my First Lady shop, and it says Faith Over Fear. And this, well, it's not a shirt, it's actually a dress. It's one of those high-low dresses, so it's a little bit higher in the front, and then it goes down lower in the back. So, I have this dress. I probably will wear these pants right here underneath. I got these pants from Walmart. They're just kind of like, almost like leggings, so I probably will wear that underneath these. So that will be an outfit. And then I also have these pants to wear underneath these 2 dresses. This dress I got from my mother some years ago when she came to visit me. She left me this dress. This one I got from my first lady shop last year, I believe. And I always get compliments on this dress. I love, love, love this dress. It's so gorgeous. So I think this one retail for like $40 at her shop, but it is so gorgeous and it has pockets. Always a plus. So and I can wear these pants underneath these dresses. Y'all, I have to just be real with myself because like dresses, I really love dresses. They're free flowing. But I have to wear, like when they're longer dresses, I try to wear pants underneath because I got big legs, y'all, and the thighs are just really unforgiving. So yes, these pants are going to be worn underneath these dresses, especially like these are what I'm going to call day dresses. So, you know, when we're out and about traveling or whatever, like, you know, you don't want to get the thigh rub, which I definitely get having big legs. So yeah, definitely will wear these pants underneath these two dresses. So I just have actually one dress that's missing. It's in the dryer right now. You've probably seen it before. I think I wore it on a date night. It's like a kind of neon yellow dress. So that's one that I'm going to bring with me as well. And that will actually complete all of my outfits. So this is like everything I'm trying to put into the cubes, you guys. Again, this is like a 7-piece cube set. So we'll see how everything fits in there. And then I'll decide from there if I'm going to get a suitcase or if the keep ball is going to work. So I'll be back to you guys in just a few. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I just decided to kind of bring things to the living room area just because like it's starting to get darker and the lighting just really wasn't that good. So I've packed everything, including what I had in the dryer that needed to like, you know, go inside of the cube. So actually I was kind of impressed, you guys. So I actually only ended up, as far as clothing was concerned, using 2 of these cubes. And again, like I said, it is a 7-piece set. So this is the biggest one, which it should fit inside my Neverfull. But I'm not 100% positive. Well, not Neverfull, but it should fit inside my keep ball, excuse me. But until I put it in there, I'm not 100% certain. But yeah, all of my clothes for the, essentially it's like altogether like 8 days outside of my travel clothes that I'm going to wear Thursday night. So everything fit inside of here as far as clothing was concerned. I did just bring a 2 pairs or 2 hangers. Just so, you know, I can hang up some of my clothes because again, they probably will get wrinkled in this process. And just, this is like the size of the biggest cube. And it does have this little thing here, so you can kind of pick it up and carry it like that. So that's pretty cool. And then I also use this other cube, which also has the handle on the side. This is for like my toiletries, again, my pajamas, the towel, the dishcloth. I did put some like sanitary napkins in there just in case. Bra, underwear. So that's just kind of all of my undergarments in this cube. And that's like everything for the essentially 8 days outside of my travel outfit that I'm going to be wearing on the Thursday night. I did not pack that, of course. And then this bag right here is for shoes. I did put my Croc flip-flops in here. I didn't put my white shoes in here because I am going to be wearing those Thursday night. And then I'm wearing my other shoes here. So I'm sorry, I'm in my pajamas, y'all, but I'm wearing my other shoes here. So I'm not going to be exactly like, yeah, putting those in here, but I'm certain they fit. It'll be fine. And then they also come with like 2 of these clear like toiletry type of bags. Like this one is going to be your one that you put through airport security. So I just have like deodorant, sunscreen. I have some oil in here as well as like body wash. And also I have a few perfumes as well as toothpaste. And I think I have like a moisturizer for my face in here as well. So that's all in here. I may add to that. I don't know quite yet, but that's what I have thus far. And this one is just my other toiletry items. I have like actually a few face masks in here. I have my purity wipes. I have some water wipes. Also, I have my 2 different dental flosses because, yeah. I have 2 different dental flosses in here because that's what I require. Then I also have like some lipsticks in here, as well as some other kind of creams, which I may put in my toiletry bag or my other bag. I don't know yet. But I probably will add to this. I know definitely I have to put my toothbrush in here once it's that time. But that's what I have in here thus far. So I typically would put bring my Toiletry 26 in the Damier Azur in the Tahitian print, but I'm glad this comes with this other bag because I've decided not to bring that with me. So yeah, I'm glad that it has this little bag here. I can bring that for my other toiletries. And so I did not use these other 2 cubes. I'm still gonna bring them with me. Probably will use them for like dirty clothes. So that'll be good. And then here's my keep all. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer like these items into my keep all and see if they fit. And I'll show you guys that in just a minute. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Oh, it was a little touch and go there for a minute, but you guys, everything fit. Outside of like these 2 toiletry bags, but that's fine. These 2 bags can go inside of my other personal item that I'm gonna have, which will be my Vera Bradley bag. So that'll be fine. I'll put these inside of my Vera Bradley so they're easily accessible anyway when I need to get them out. So but yeah, the 2, so what I have in here, I'm gonna open it for you guys. I just zipped it, but I have the 2 cubes that had all of my clothes, as well as all of my undergarments. I had the 2 extra cube bags that didn't have anything in them. I'm gonna take those for probably like dirty clothes, or in case I do buy some clothes and do use those. And then I also have my shoe bag in here, and I did take off those Adidas shoes, so as you can see, they're no longer on my feet. I did take those off and I put them inside of the bag. So let me unzip this, you guys. Well, give me a second because it's gonna take 2 hands to do that. Okay, sorry guys. So yeah, I just unzipped it. So this is everything. This is the smaller cube on top, the bigger one on the bottom here, and then this is the cube or the container with both pairs of shoes in here. So yes, it is stuffed. I had to put my back into it and shove it down a little bit, but y'all, everything fits, and that is essentially altogether like 8 days worth of outfits and shoes and toiletries, or not all my toiletries, but essentially like undergarments and all of that. So all of that fits in here. So I'm really super duper excited. I feel like the cubes did make it easier, so that's just kind of my first impressions. Now I am going to use the cubes again coming back. If I do buy clothing, yeah, like we'll have to see. But I don't imagine, I actually feel like I'll have a good amount of space, because with my Vera Bradley bag, these are going to be essentially all of my toiletry items that I'm going to bring. I'm probably going to add a few more things to that, but that's pretty much all I'm going to bring as far as toiletries are concerned. And then just the handbag that I'm going to be wearing, and I'm going to show that to you guys in another video, so because I don't have it yet as of the filming of this particular video, but maybe you'll probably have seen it by the time this is up on the channel. But yeah, I just want to kind of give you my brief little experience with the packing cubes. Yes, things are a whole lot easier to pack in here, and I imagine if I do end up getting a suitcase, which right now I don't think I'm gonna get a suitcase until I actually get to Italy and then buy whatever we're gonna buy. And then on the way back, I probably will get a suitcase to, better fit things and check one in on the way back. But yeah, everything fits sufficiently in here. So if you want to travel internationally and you want to, maximize the space, you have a keep all 50 bandolier, I highly recommend packing cubes as of now anyway. Again, when I get there, I might have a different experience, but I definitely will kind of show you guys on, as far as do an overall review of how I enjoy these cubes when I get back from my trip. So again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I don't know if this is going to be before or after a portion, but if it's the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and join me on my future adventures. So I'm really happy about these packing cubes. Right now, I feel like it was really good, like $21 spent. So I will talk to you guys in my next video, and hope you enjoy your day. Bye, guys.